up, YouTube? Are you looking for one of the easiest ways ever to make real money online? I know, everybody talks about it. This one is really, really interesting, though. I think you're going to like this. I'm going to tell you all about it in my review of Stuff Your Bank. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, that's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as Nora's potato salad that she brought to the last company picnic. Admit it, Nora, you brought it. Don't try to deny it. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, feel free to skip ahead. But if you're not new, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's very, very simple, actually. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Really, Bart? Every single day you gotta say this? Do you know how annoying that guy is? Every day he says the same exact thing to me. He complains and complains and complains nonstop. Really annoying. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. She is such a sweetheart. I love Liz. Isn't she a sweetheart? You know, she says the same thing every day also, but she's nice about it at least. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe. It doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. We're on the sales page for Stuff Your Bank. Okay, this one is really, really interesting. You can see here some of the money that's being made from this particular method. And this is a method that's been tried and true a long time. A lot of people don't like this particular method. Like the dog barking outside. He doesn't like it either. Hey, dude, seriously. I'm trying to record a video here. Anyway, but seriously. Basically, what this involves is buying and selling of domains. Now, before you get scared and say, oh, Eric, I've tried that, doesn't work, I've lost money on it, I get it. Okay, I know that it can be very difficult to do this, but there's really two secrets here. First of all, Jamie and Tom are basically going to be offering you in Stuff Your Bank. They're going to offer you something that I've never seen before. They're actually going to give you a ready-made list every single time you need it of domains that they've already vetted to make sure that they're good quality domains. So basically, you can go ahead, pick one from the list, and follow their instructions, buy it, sell it, make money. It's super simple. And what they did was they actually gave this to a few newbies who had never done it before. Told them, run wild with it, test it out. These are the results they saw. Now, in addition to that, in my own custom bonus, which nobody's going to offer you, I actually made some money from domaining myself. I've done it before. I've enjoyed it. Made some good money from it. And in my own custom bonus, what I'm going to give you is my own guide to how to go ahead and pick out really, really good quality domains for next to nothing. Okay, I bought domains that were worth thousands of dollars, and I paid like $5 for them, $6, $7, $8, next to nothing. Okay, and you can take these domains and start making real money off of them and start selling them. Basically, buy and flip, kind of like the whole thing with houses, buying and flipping, but a whole lot easier than the whole buy and flip thing.
I'm going to break down 12 steps to expose the real estate flip so that if you want to take advantage of flipping real estate, you know exactly the steps to follow so that you don't end up bankrupt or in a lot.
Yeah, I'm talking about you, Meet Kevin. Your business may be good. This is better. Anyway, I actually am a big fan of Kevin. I like his videos. He's very high energy. Just check him out. But seriously, and he doesn't even know I'm saying that, and I doubt he'll ever notice this unless you do check it out and mention that He's mentioned in this video. But anyway, but seriously, so let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, I also have a couple of other bonuses for you. I'm going to give you a two products from Tom. One is called Storm. Another one is called Arbitrage High Roller. These are really cool products. Also, I reviewed Storm actually a while back, as I recall. And Arbitrage High Roller is really, really interesting, actually. It's basically Tom's software for making money from basically buying on one website and selling it on somewhere else, but basically automates the whole process. It's really interesting. It makes a lot of money. I've done this method as well, made a lot of money from it. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area real quick. Let me just pause the video while I go ahead and log in. Okay, so we're in the members area of Suffolk Bank. It's a really, really simple system. Actually, you can go over here and basically you'll have Jamie, who is Tom's partner on this, explaining how it all works. Not a whole lot to see here. There's going to be a little bit of a tutorial that you can watch if you want to watch it. But basically, what you're going to do here is just go to the domain list, and everything is automatically set up for you over here. You're going to be able to see this whole thing right here where you're basically going to be able to see like a list of domains, and you can go through the whole list. And you can see a report on SEO, which basically is going to tell you whether or not this is a domain that's worth buying or not. And then you're going to follow Jamie's instructions to buy it and sell it. It's super simple, actually. There's not a whole lot to do. And you can buy it for next to nothing, really, truthfully, especially with my custom bonus. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip my hands to product creator or not. I like this concept. I know that it works. I've tested it myself. I've made money from domaining, so I know that this method actually does make you money. And you can start with a very, very low investment, like a couple of bucks, just to start out. You can see on the members on the sales page that they actually started out with like $10 each of these people and made a lot of money from doing this. So you know that it does actually work. And for the price, you really can't go wrong. So go ahead and grab this. You're going to love it.